Hello everyone, welcome to Box Unboxing. Today we are going to look at the Kindle 2019. I got it from Noah Leeming for $139 New Zealand dollars. I've had Kindles before, and recently I've been reading on my iPad, but for different reasons I find the iPad is not a perfect device for reading, so I decided to go back to Kindle and see how things go. So without further ado, let's open this baby up. It's quite nice packaging, really simple, which I like. Not a lot of plastics, everything. Well, but you know, haven't really opened it yet, so I don't really know. Here you go, a shiny Kindle box. Paper here that I can rip off. So it's gonna rip it out now. There you go. Well, it's quite, you can't really do it just lightly. You have to actually peel it off, like pull it off. So let's see. Okay, it's quite nice that the box actually has a little latch here for you to pull out, so you can just pull it out, the whole thing, just like that, which is quite nice. Here you go. So slide it out just like that. Whoa, very nice, very solid unit right here. I'm very happy with the way it feels, but it's still in plastic packaging, so we'll see how it feels after I open it up. And then you got a quick instruction right here, how to turn it on, how to charge it, and then of course all the paperwork, just a little tiny booklet here in different languages. And the last thing is actually the charging cable right here. So a little nice, very high quality, I can tell, charging cable. It's not USB-C, it's actually micro USB, but it's a really high quality cable, and I assume that it is about 1 meter long. It could be 1 meter long, not very sure, but I'm pretty sure it's 1 meter long. Yeah, probably 1 meter is quite standard. Here you go. Anyway, let's take a look at the Kindle. So if you rip open this plastic packaging, you can see that whoa, it feels really nice. I actually really like it. It feels really solid, smooth. The surface is actually really nice. It's a matte surface. When you open it up, when you pull it out, it really shows you an instruction here on the screen. You can power it on in different languages. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to power it on now and see how it goes. It's powered on. Here you go. As you can see, that it's turned on now, and you see the typical Kindle image right here. Okay, what's next? What do we do? Do I need to charge it, or can you touch it? Oh, here you go. I think you probably need to wait for it to turn to the next screen, which is it asks you to choose your language. So I think it's just a quick setup, so you want to wait for it to finish setting up your device. So this bar here is just running along, and I guess I just have to wait for it to finish. Come on. Alright, so after you connect to your Wi-Fi or your internet, the Kindle is asking you to register your Kindle, right? So it's saying that now you are connected. Register the Kindle to your Amazon account. So I am going to use my Amazon account. So here you go. After you log into your account, Kindle will be registered under your account. I like the fact that it's got really thick bezels, so you can actually hold on to it to read, which is really nice. Very different from my iPad, which is the bezels on the sides are actually really thin. So with the Kindle here, I think the screen size is really good, and the bezels are thicker, so you can actually hold on to the device with only one hand. Right. So now my Kindle is all set up. I think it's been quite easy, really simple, straight to the point. Nothing complicated or anything. Everything has been quite smooth. No hiccups at all. I like the feeling of the Kindle. Really light, and I can hold on to it with one hand. Anyway, that's our unboxing video. I will use this device for a little bit, see how it goes. And I won't tell you my experience. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. It's quite a nice experience unboxing this Kindle. Everything is very simple, very easy, straightforward. Don't have to think about anything. And the fact that I do like they have the packaging's quite simple and nice. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.